Mrs. Tambe from Bal Vikas. I welcome you to Bal Vikas on the occasion of International Yoga Day, and it is conducted by coordination by Bal Vikas as well as Vani Yoga Vidyalaya. Actually, it is conducted in about 175 nations, and 21st June is supposed to be the longest day. Last 2 years we could not conduct the program because of Corona. But even though last year online program was conducted by Dr. Deepika Hindu, but this year we are very lucky. We can conduct it in the hall and enjoy the program. About Bal Vikas, I will tell you, Bal Vikas is one of the most important center of education, social, cultural activities. Cultural activities in Chembur. We have school up to 4th standard, but only studies are not important. So we conduct dance, yoga, music, chess, karate classes with minimum fees. It is always for personality development. Then we conduct lectures on political, social and science, finance and other issues. Throughout the year we conduct various programs. Then Santa Mahotsav, Diwali Pahat, Allauddin Khan Sangeet Mahotsav, lectures by well-known personality like Vikas Amte, then Sindhutai Sakpal and others. And Gita Pravachan, donations, Ganpati, etc. Now I first request our chief guest, Dr. Deepak Bagadia, then Mr. Tyagarajan and Deepika Madam, as well as Prasad Pandit to light the lamp.
सरस्वती नमोस्तुते शारदे विद्याप्रदे सरस्वती नमोस्तुते शारदे विद्याप्रदे सरस्वती नमोस्तुते करधृत वीणा पुस्तक वरमणि मालालंकृते करधृत वीणा पुस्तक वरमणि मालालंकृते सरिमपदप अपदस पदस निरवरि सनि सरिमपदस तिमरि निरवरि सरि सनि सरस्वती नमोस्तुते शारदे विद्याप्रदे सरस्वती नमोस्तुते नरहरि सुत विधिलालित नवमणियुत कंबुगळे सुरसेवित पदयुगळे सुरसेवित पदयुगळे सुधाकर समगवळे सुरसेवित पदयुगळे सुधाकर समगवळे सरि मपद पमपद सपद सनिद पमरि सनिद सरि मपद सरि मरि सनिद पमरि सरि सनिद सरस्वती नमोस्तुते शारदे विद्याप्रदे सरस्वती नमोस्तुते
Sir, as I told you, there are number of activities conducted in Bal Vikas, like Geeta Pravachan by Chinma Mission, blood donation, Ganpati. But all these things are free for public, and hall is available for our senior citizen club, ladies club. But to maintain the institute, we need money or donations. Last 2 years, we suffered many difficulties because of Corona, and it was very difficult. We did our best. Now today we are very lucky that we are conducting this program with the help of well-known, outstanding personality like Deepika Hindu. But we are Deepika Hindu, an outstanding personality. She is family physician, then MA in yoga, BA in yoga, then yoga therapist, and as well as she is founder of Varni Yoga, yoga teacher, evaluator by Ayush Government of India. She has trained more than 100 teachers, doctors, professors. So she is, we may call her teacher's teacher also. So your coordination is very useful and expected by Bal Vikas, and we are really proud of you. Now I request our committee member Prasad to felicitate Dr. Deepak Bagadia. He is PhD professor in Somaiya College. Then Dr. Tyagarajan, scientific officer from BRC. Then, dear Dr. Deepika, and then Dr. Hindu. Now I will hand over the mic to Dr. Deepika.
Good evening to all dignitaries, guests and delegates. With all great joy and immense exultation, my warm welcome to all presented here for celebration of 8th International Day of Yoga. And I'm welcoming my guru, my mentor, my guide, my friend, Dr. Deepak Bagadia, chief guest of today's occasion. Dr. Tyagarajan sir, he is also scientific officer at BRC, loved music, Sanskrit, he's also master in Sanskrit, literature, mathematics, and so not, what not. And Mr. Prasad sir, welcome all of you. Please sir, I request all guests to sit on the occupy the space, and we'll start our today's occasion. So I'm just now, Madam has says, I'm a family physician since 26 years, founder of Varni Yogalaya and Academy. At first Varni Yogalaya since 2009. So at that time I was teaching, my clinic was there, both of the morning, evening sessions are there for my clinic, and morning I used to take class here at Balvikas only. Right from starting I have start my journey from here only. At that time my Guruji were late Mr. Kulkarni sir. I remember at this time to him, so that my practical mastery, the base of my teaching is Kulkarni sir. I really respect them, and his Mrs. also, Mrs. Kulkarni. She is not at this time here. And by the time I have learned so many from so many institutions like Iyengar institution, Vinyasa, classical, this and that, and I keep on learning. At present also I am keep on learning. Please Bhavna Ben, आप आगे आ जाइए. No. Mrs. Bhavna Bagade, please come in the front. Then from 2017, the word academy has added in Varni Yogalaya and Academy. Very initially, I have started my specialized course in pre and postnatal yoga and Garbha Sanskar, and then with Guru's grace and guidance and all, I have conducted now teacher training courses, Ayush Ministry, recognized teacher training courses. Ayush Ministry, Government of India has started their own syllabus to standardize the yogic knowledge. So many teachers are from different institutions, but to standardize the teacher from level 1 to level 7. So I have cleared level 7, that is only for doctor, eligibility is doctor, right from 12th standard to level 7. So that I have cleared, that is particularly for doctors for therapy purpose, particularly for therapy. So, and I conducted so many students from India and abroad are now teachers, they are good doing in that field. Since 2016, I am attached with the Chunabhatti Healthcare Citizens Association. So Chunabhatti, I will glad to inform you something for Chunabhatti Association also. Here I have, Paul sir is not yet come. So that association is also working for society in a great way. They conduct different workshops and medical checkups and all. And right from 2016, my another center is there at Chunabhatti. And then we have started our today's scenario and today's trend is that is something should be there in media level. So we have started our YouTube channel, our on the name of Deepika Hingu. This full video, if someone has not yet came or not able to come today, they can they can watch this video on Deepika Hingu when you type that YouTube channel, and our website varniyogalaya.com. So you will update it by this referring this website. Yeah. Now I request Pragna madam to come on the stage, and we'll start our actual program with International Day of Yoga prayer. So government has fixed one prayer that Pragna ji will sing, and Pragya ji is our Chunabhatti Association member. She is so regular. She is ideal yoga student, and at this stage also she is so enthusiastic for yoga. And whenever we have little function like anyone's birthday or whatever, she used to sing song. She is enjoying, and so many things to learn from her. So she is also, we call her as a Swara Samragyi. Our Chunabhat is Lata Mangeshkar. Okay? So, yeah, over to you. Thank you.
हम संगठन मंत्र का श्लोक पढ़ रहे हैं। ओम संगच्छध्वं संवधत्वं संगच्छध्वं संवधत्वं संवो मनांसि जानतां संवो मनांसि जानतां देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे सज्जानाना उपासते सज्जानाना उपासते संगच्छध्वं संवदत्वं संवो मनांसि जानताम्। श्लोक का भावार्थ। हे धर्मनिरत विद्वानों, आप परस्पर एक होकर रहें, आपस में मिलकर प्रेम पूर्वक वार्तालाप करें, समान मन होकर ज्ञान प्राप्त करें। जिस प्रकार श्रेष्ठ जन एक मत होकर ज्ञानार्जन करते हुए ईश्वर की उपासना करते हैं, उसी प्रकार आप भी एक मत होकर विरोध त्याग करके अपना काम करें। द्वितीय श्लोक। समानो मंत्र समिति समानी समानो मंत्र समिति समानी समानं मन सहचित्तमीशां समानं मन सहचित्तमीशां समानं मन्त्रमभिमन्त्रयेव समानं मन्त्रमभिमन्त्रयेव समानेनो भविष्याजुहोमि समानेनो भविष्याजुहोमि। श्लोक का भावार्थ। हम सबकी प्रार्थना एक समान हो, भेदभाव से रहित परस्पर मिलकर रहे, अंतःकरण मन चित्त विचार समान हो। मैं सबके हित के लिए समान मंत्रों को अभिमंत्रित करके अभि प्रदान करता हूँ। तृतीय श्लोक। समानीव आहुतिः समानीव आहुतिः समानार्दयानिमः समानार्दयानिमः समानमस्तु ॐ मनो समानमस्तु ॐ मनो यथा वसुंस हासति यथा वसुंस हासति। श्लोक का भावार्थ। तुम सबके संकल्प एक समान हो, तुम्हारे हृदय एक समान हो और मन एक समान हो, जिसके जिसके तुम्हारा कार्य परस्पर पूर्ण रूप के संगठित हो। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
thank you, dear Pragya ji. It was so nice, beautiful prayer in a beautiful voice and exact proper meaning of it. Thank you so much. Now it's time for our yoga song, yoga anthem. Padmavati ji Thagaraju, my dear friend. पहले तो मैं यही उनका इंट्रोडक्शन दूंगी. And she is nice human being, regular in yoga, my yoga student, and she is professional vocalist and teacher of Carnatic music. She is master in music from Andhra University. She has performed various concerts in Mumbai and abroad, and she has done so many professional programs in big halls like our fine arts halls and in other temples too in Chembur, and performed jugalbandis with various artists, great artists. She has recently submitted her research thesis on Vishnu Pallaki Seva Prabandha of King Sahaji under CCRT Senior Fellowship. She tuned the full opera. So we should have clapping ovation for her. We are so lucky to have her with us. And at present also she is there, and she is immediately ready when I ask something to sing or to perform. She is immediately ready. Now I am introducing Dr. Dinesh Hingu. Dr. Dinesh Hingu is a Ayurvedic physician since 1995. She has learned, he is practicing pure Ayurveda at Ghatkopar East since 1995, and his special interest in infertility, skiing, asthma and all. He is owner of Chanakya Ayur Pharma. We are producing 6 products, Ayurvedic herbal products in the market. He is a professional tabla player. Since he was in 5th standard, he learned tabla from Pandit Allah Rakha ji, Abba ji, father of Zakir Hussain. And since that childhood only, he used to do so many professional programs. He has also played with professional singers like Pankaj Udas and Hemant Chauhan in our Gujarati. He is Visharad in tabla, and still he is practicing, still he is learning tabla. So music is never ending learning. It's like ocean, like yoga is ocean, music is ocean. So today we will have Jugalbandi with us. We are so lucky, and I'm glad to introduce both of them. We have violinist, We have violinist Mr. Krishnan. He has his classes at Fine Arts, but for us only, for that time being, he has came here. So thank you so much, Mr. Krishnan. We are
Thank you all. I'm very fortunate to perform here and a very auspicious day, Yoga Day. And actually this is today, it's a World Music Day also. So I feel very happy to perform. जयति योगविद्या जयति योगविद्या जयति योगविद्या जयति योगविद्या सोपदा भरत विचार सोपदा भरत विचार
so much, Padma. It was so great. I have no words to express it. One more clapping ovation for all of you. Thank you. Yeah, now दिल थाम के बैठो. ना थके अभी पैर, ना अभी हिम्मत हारी है, हौसला है जिंदगी में कुछ कर दिखाने का, इसलिए अभी भी सफ़र जारी है. हम सबकी ऐसी ही कंडीशन है अभी. तो चलेंगे हम हौसलों से भरी भगवान श्री गणेश की स्तुति पर एक हौसलों भरा वीर योग नृत्य देखेंगे. तो मैंने क्यों यहाँ वीर ये शब्द यूज़ किया? बिकॉज वी हैव ऑल 5 वीर्स इन अवर योगा क्लास. बोथ ऑफ अवर योगा क्लास वी हैव वीरों का योगा क्लास है हमारा. क्यों वीर पता है? क्योंकि हमारे क्लास शुरू होते हैं चिना भट्टी के 6:45, right, and here 7 o'clock. So to come at 6:45, they used to wake up at least 6:20. They have to get ready, come to yoga class and perform, and on time. My each and every student comes on time. मैं 2-3 मिनट लेट हो जाती हूँ. At that time my student starts yoga. तो इसलिए मैं उनको वीर कहूँगी. क्यों? क्योंकि गुजराती में एक कहावत है कि वहलो उठे वीर. जो वीर पुरुष होता है ना वही जल्दी उठता है ना छाया बहन? बराबर. नहीं तो जो कायर है वो कभी जल्दी नहीं उठेंगे. और योग के लिए पर्टिकुलरली आना, दैट इज रियली वीरों का काम है. हाँ, हमें कोई बोलेगा कि आप यहाँ आएंगे 5,000 रुपये आपको मिलेंगे तो हम उठ के जाते हैं. 4 बजे भी उठ के बुलाएंगे तो जाएंगे. लेकिन योग के लिए आना, इट्स अ सो ग्रेट थिंग. तो चलेंगे. आई एम वेलकमिंग ऑल माई वीर्स टू परफॉर्म दिस गणेश स्तुति वीर नृत्य.
तू बैठ के निकाल बस.
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय गजेशनाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय
एंजॉय किया? एंजॉय किया? वन मोर क्लैपिंग ओवेशन. वन मोर. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. वी विल हैव वंस मोर नेक्स्ट ईयर, इससे भी और बढ़िया. हाँ, तो मैं जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन दिला दूँ कि हमारे डांसर कौन है. मिस्टर लोकिन चेंबूरकर जी. ही इज IIM all over throughout gold medalist. Yeah, he's our very particular student. He and his wife is not yet came because small baby is ill today, and he is director at Cognizant Technology. So we have that great personalities with us. Mr. Sanjay Iyengar, she has just joined this June month only, and very next day only he is get ready to participate in dance. He is BE MBA senior manager at Accenture. Mr. Yogesh Kenjule is very young and enthusiastic, B.Tech and manager in RBI. Mr. Rambhauji, he is co-elder but youngest and Veer. MA, B.Ed and retired teacher at present. His wife Nirmala ji is in audience. She is also very enthusiastic, very flexible, yoga student. Mr. Santosh ji, he is running his teacher. He is running his own academy, secondary school academy. So thank you so much. All great professionals took that time. Their professional time and work time, job time, and apart from this, they find time to practice. And see, 3 hours from Chunabhatti and 2 hours from here, Balvika. So they came here by Balvika for practice regularly from Chunabhatti. They travel, and thank you so much. It's so grateful to me. Let's appreciate them with again clapping. To invite our chief guest for his speech, Dr. Deepak Bagadia's introduction at first I am giving. His PhD in yoga, he is PhD scholar, Yoga Ratna awardee, B Farm, DMS and BA and MA Yoga Shastra, both his gold medalists. Yoga teacher, yoga examiner at YCB and Gantali Mitra Mandal Center, Ghatkopar. He is assistant professor at Somaya Vidyavihar University in yoga department. Since 30 years he is in yoga field. He left his job after he joined yoga 30 years back. Earlier he was in B Farm and he is doing his job from UDCT. He has passed his B Farm from UDCT. Pharmacy graduate. Yeah. BMS from Wellinger University. Around since 50 to 30 years he is in yoga field. And not only this, but he is my, when I have joined my BA Yoga Shastra, he was first teacher in yoga with me. He has so much motivated me, and due to his motivation, I also get gold medalist and came first in university BA Yoga Shastra. All credit goes to sir only. All credit goes to sir. He is not only my guru, my teacher, my motivator, mentor, my good friend, he's like my elder brother. Anything, whenever I stop, whenever I stuck, whenever I get confused in any matter, he is there to guide me. Even ये क्षण तक भी वो मेरे साथ हैं. He and his wife Bhavna Bagadia, both are ideal couple, I can say. मैं ऐसा कह सकती हूँ त्यागराजू सर कि they are लक्ष्मी नारायण की जोड़ी. Really, they are so cooperate to each other and so lovable, not only to each other but everyone. He is there for everyone, not only me. He is there for everyone, each and every student. Without any selfish motive, he guide everyone. So many words for him to speak, but I can't express it. Okay, over to sir. Please welcome sir. हमें आपके आशीर्वाद चाहिए.
Interruption, I should say. The beautiful things are going on in between. How she is called me, I don't know. वो टीवी में आता है व्यत्यय के लिए खेद है, लेकिन आपको खेद झेलना पड़ेगा थोड़े टाइम. I'll do it my job as soon as possible. But she very humbly, respectfully, and you know from the heart, she introduced me. That was exaggeration. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अगर स्टूडेंट में दम है तो ही वो गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट तक पहुंचता है. Our duty, I might have trained thousands of students at Wellinger. 10 years yoga I was teaching. Somaya MBA students and Somaya since beginning 2001. I am there to teach yoga. But then few students only can shine and can reach up to this state of having her own institute. Apart from her medical profession, she is also doing very great things in yoga. Recently, international recognition also she has got to run the institute and do the therapy work also. Because doctors can do therapy work better, and as somebody told that yoga can cure this, can do this. That is definitely the, power in yoga. Not power in teacher, I would say power in yoga. So never expect many things from teacher. Okay, teacher will do her job best way, but then finally one has to do. Yoga is not a passive process, it is an active process. So respected sir and all the dignitaries here and all the scholarly audience, because I could see even those performances were so great scholars. So it's really a rich, maybe a small crowd, but very, very, very rich and great crowd here. So I'm happy to join all of you here. Today being the International Day of Yoga, this is 8th International Day. We normally talk that we have, received right, type of response from all over the world, and that's how everybody is celebrating this Yoga Day. But I would say the other way, that it is definitely a gift from India to the world. It's a really precious gift. It is our own culture which we have, without any hesitation, we started spreading for everybody's benefit. Initially they were thinking it is something religious, something philosophical from India only. But then they realized that no, definitely it is for our own promotion, our own internal, upbringing and health. So that's how they accepted. And just now I was listening to Upanishad from Agasha sir. He also mentioned that very first meeting of when our Prime Minister appealed for this introduction of Yoga Day, 176 countries on that day agreed and signed. This is the historical event in also. में normally कोई भी चीज के लिए इतना जल्दी कोई agree नहीं होता है. Hardly 100 countries also might not have agreed on any decision. But this was the world record that everybody agreed. And then finally after that also so many added up. Today 192 to 196, that is almost 99% of the countries have agreed to this celebration of International Day of Yoga. But then see what we do in India. Hardly most of the people I have seen, today I have been to so many places in the morning, 6 o'clock. We celebrate yoga only for one day, International Day of Yoga. जैसे हम लोग मदर्स डे, फादर डे, एक बार मदर फादर को प्रणाम करते हैं, बाकी का शायद झगड़ा भी करते होंगे. I don't know. But each and every day should be celebrated if it is good for us. Each and every day all the day throughout the year. So yoga is also meant for everyday's practice. You should adapt it. You should include it in your daily routine. Then only you will get all the benefits. That's what is the message as on today. आज के बाद जितना भी कर सकते हो, even little practices for 10 to 20 minutes, because we give packages also. Nowadays, students don't have time. That Wellington and all students, they tell we are traveling from Palghar and Kalyan and how we can get time. Then we give on-desk yoga, off-the-mat yoga, in-train yoga. आज हमारा एक group train में VT से 75 teachers have started from CST to Harbour Line to Central Line and to Western Line from Churchgate. They are teaching on running train to the students. उसमें से to the passengers. उसमें से थोड़ा भी कुछ practice सीख सके regarding breathing, regarding some meditation, because you can't do asanas in train, we know. ऐसे भी अपना आसन आड़ा टेढ़ा हो जाता है rush में. So that is the things which they are spreading yoga, of course, in a good purpose. That should continue to spread, and the right message. It's really, I'm appealing to this scholarly audience. Whatever you learn from this institute, from Dr. Deepika or anywhere at least recognized institute like Somaya also, Kandare Mitra Mandal, the original traditional yoga, you all are torch bearers. You should spread the right thing in the right manner to the right people. What is going on today by popularization of yoga, it is not becoming only professional, it is becoming commercial also. So it is finally getting dilution in the quality of yoga. The origin, that's why all the Rishi Munis were telling it is Param Gopyam Shastra. It is really to be kept secret, and then the right kind of disciples should be chosen, and only to those it should be taught. But then it is plus point also, minus point also that Ramdev Baba started spreading it since 90s through Asta and all channels. And then it is good to carry yoga to door and to home and family to family. So families are getting benefited. But then it is not the thing which should be learned from TV or from the book or from the videos. It should be learned from the right teacher, the efficient, proper teacher, in that guidance, directly, not online. Okay? Yoga should not be learned online. थोड़े lecture ठीक है, online पे सुन सकते हैं. But practice, the teacher will check from all the sides, your four sides, your top and bottom, how you are bending, and what is your capability and what is your limitations. Everything he should convey, and once he clears it, the yoga teacher, the right yoga teacher clears you, then you can do on your own at home also, no problem. But somebody should certify. Otherwise, as such, yoga has no side effect, absolutely. But if you do it improperly, then definitely, जो नहीं है वो problem भी चालू हो जाएगा. That's what I'm not telling you. Swatmaram ji has told in her Pradipika that if yoga is done properly, then you can get rid of all the problems. Okay, properly yoga करने से सारे problem खत्म होते हैं. But if it is done improperly, then जो नहीं है वो problem भी आ जाते हैं. Okay. रोग क्षयो भवेत के बदले रोग उद्भवेत चालू हो जाता है. That one should know that you should learn properly and then you can do on your own. But पतंजलि ने जैसे बोला है सतु दीर्घ काल निरंतर अभ्यास सत्कार से ऋतु, रोज करना है, उसमें कोई गैप नहीं होना चाहिए. और you should have respect towards whatever you do. Then definitely yoga will help you. So let me wish all of you enter into yoga properly and do it regularly. Then only yoga will enter into you. Okay, and then you will get all the benefits and proper health till you die. Because no disease can enter into your body with yoga, regular practice, pranayams also practice. And COVID, we should not always criticize COVID. COVID has given a gift that everybody has started, knowing yoga and learning yoga and doing yoga. Even if you lie down on your stomach, your breathing will improve. That is the research outcome from yoga. Even if you do just Jalniti in Pune, the hospital, 600 people did Jalniti, and that article is published in international journal because they were all doctors and medical staff who were dealing day to day with the COVID patients, and they never got infected from COVID because of only this Jalniti followed by Kapalbhati. That is the things which yoga can give you. So why not to do even 10-20 minutes regularly, half an hour, on holiday 1 hour, then yoga definitely will help you. That is my guarantee, that yoga can keep you healthy, fit at any age. Yoga can stop aging process. Okay, you can remain as young as This all people were practicing. You can practice. 65 के बाद लोगों ने शीर्षासन सीखना चालू किया. And now at the age of 70, 1 dozen old elderly people are practicing शीर्षासन for 5 minutes. Just think, 300 seconds they can maintain. So if they can do, anybody can do. What is wrong in yoga? Because so many benefits are there. I think, it is a non-stop talk. We all can talk, continue afterwards also. But we, including myself, are interested in watching all the things which is happening here. It's, as Padmavati madam rightly pointed out, it is really a integration. Okay, जैसे जुगलबंदी बोलते हैं ना, वैसे आज ये मुझे भी समझा आज कि म्यूजिक डे भी है, योगा डे भी है. सो वर्ल्ड इट इज a जुगलबंदी of both the great culture of India also, and many common relationship is there in music and yoga. So if that laya, tala, sura and arav, avrav is adapted in pranayam, then pranayam will be a blessing for each one of us. And here we could see Dr. Deepika has produced all the integration of elderly people, young people, scholarly people, and down-to-earth people also. Everybody can yoga. Yoga is for everybody, and so all can get benefit. So continue your journey. All the best to all of you, including the madam, Deepika madam, and Dr. Ingu sir. Thank you very much for giving me opportunity, and thank you all for listening me. Thank you.
Because in just few months back only we have arranged Shankar Prakshalan session here. At that time 37 people were there for Shankar Prakshalan, full 2 hall, and we have here all the like जरूरी हमारे ये है टॉयलेट्स वगैरह है तो हम freely हम कर पाएँ. It's due to Balvika's support and love to me only. So we have पहले तो हमने रखा था एवरी वीक हम जल नीति करना है, जल नीति सूत्र थे एवरी वीक. तो हर ट्यूसडे को रखा था, ट्यूसडे को कोई आता ही नहीं था फिर. तो इनिशियली दे यूज्ड टू कम एंड देन फिर नहीं आज तो जल नीति होगी, आज नहीं जाना है. फिर हमने वो छोड़ा. लेकिन ट्वाइस इन अ ईयर वी इवन बोथ ऑफ द सेंटर चिंगूर चुनाभट्टी एंड दे आर सो एंथुसियास्टिक इन परफॉर्मिंग योगा. हाँ, नाउ दिल थाम के बैठो. कोई भी देश अब यश के शिखर पर तब तक नहीं पहुंच सकता जब तक उसकी महिलाएं कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर न चले, है ना. ऑल मेल्स हैव परफॉर्म डायनेमिक एंड वाइब्रेंट डांस. नाउ आई एम वेलकमिंग द फीमेल स्टूडेंट फॉर द डिवोशनल एंड एडोरेबल परफॉर्मेंस. प्लीज़ आ जाइए सब. हमारे नौवारी ड्रेस पहन के जो डांस परफॉर्मेंस वो करने वाले हैं चुनाभट्टी के स्टूडेंट्स हैं. श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा ने गीता में कहा है, सब शास्त्रों का नवनीत यह रहा, भगवान ही हमारे परम ध्येय है. इस परम लक्ष्य को पाने के लिए भगवान की भक्ति ही सर्वश्रेष्ठ साधन है. सो कृष्ण, आप गीता का हम अगर भार्थ देखें तो कर्मयोग, ज्ञान योग से भी भक्ति योग का ज़्यादा महत्व है. क्यों पता है? क्योंकि भक्ति योग में कर्मयोग एंड ज्ञान योग दोनों समान्वित है. राइट. अब हमारे सामने ऐसे बुलंद हौसलों को अपने सीने में भर कर अब हमारे सामने आ रहे हैं. सॉरी हाँ, आई मिस्ड इट. इसलिए शास्त्रों में भक्ति के 9 प्रकार दर्शाए गए हैं, क्योंकि भक्ति सबसे श्रेष्ठतम साधन है योग का. श्रवणम कीर्तनम विष्णु, स्मरणम पाद सेवनम, अर्चनम वंदनम दास्यम, सख्य आत्मनिवेदनम. आइए तो ये जो सॉन्ग है ये सर ऐसे सिलेक्ट किया है कि सॉन्ग के अनुसार हमने डांस सिलेक्ट किया है. एंड ladies particularly are more up towards bhakti, right? So we will see. इसलिए इस नवधा भक्ति रूप प्रभु की दिव्य आराधना में हम भी सम्मिलित होते हैं और भक्ति रस का आनंद प्राप्त करते हैं. इस सुंदर प्रस्तुति द्वारा जिसे प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं हमारे चुनाभट्टी की नौवारी पहन के अच्छे से तैयार ब्यूटीफुल लेडीज. सी ऑल लेडीज, रहिए रहिए, उधर ही रहिए, आपकी पहचान करानी है। उज्ज्वला राणे, लेडी इन ब्लू। उज्ज्वला के बारे में बताऊं सर, जो भी भगवत गीता के सारे योग, कर्म योग, भक्ति योग, ज्ञान योग, एक व्यक्ति में अगर मैं कहना चाहूँ तो उज्ज्वला में है। क्यों पता है? हमारे क्लास ऐसे 6:45 बजे चूनाभट्टी में शुरू होते हैं इन द ओपन ग्राउंड। तो ओपन ग्राउंड में क्या क्या रहता है? पत्थर वगैरह रहते हैं, है ना, छोटे छोटे बारीक पत्थर। शी एंड हर फ्रेंड स्मिता, शी इज नॉट देयर हियर, और उसकी टीम थोड़े बहुत है, उसके हेल्प के लिए यहाँ बैठे हैं काफ़ी उनमें से। They used to come early at 6:15. They clean the ground, our place. They मैट बिछाते हैं, प्लास्टिक की मैट है, उसके ऊपर ऐसे योगा मैट बिछाते हैं। तो सबकी योगा मैट 50 से 55 लोग आते हैं, 50 to 55 अराउंड इन ओपन ग्राउंड भी है इन चुनाभट्टी। तो सबके जो गाइड करती है उज्ज्वला। तो कर्म योग में बताऊँ, बराबर भक्ति योग से सो सरेंडरिंग एटीट्यूड, जरा भी उसको ईगो नहीं है ऐसा कहेंगे। तो इट्स सरेंडरिंग ऑफ ईगो इज नथिंग बट भक्ति। तो जब कर्म योग है, भक्ति योग है, तो ज्ञान योग ऑटोमेटिक एडॉप्ट हो जाता है। ज्ञान खुद ही अपने आप चल के उसके पास आएगा, उसको ज्ञान प्राप्ति की जरूरत नहीं है। तो एंड शी इज़ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ मी टू नाउ। कविता बेन इज गुड होम मेकर, गुड रसोई खाना बहुत अच्छा बनाती है। ज्योति जी, शी इज़ ऑल्सो वर्किंग, शी हैज़ अ लिटल वन, लेकिन फिर भी उन्होंने टाइम निकाल के प्रैक्टिस की। लास्ट में तैयार हुई, एक जन को कुछ इमरजेंसी आ गई, कैंसिल हो गए, तो ज्योति जी तैयार हो गई। अनीता, शी इज़ पैथोलॉजिस्ट, असिस्टेंट पैथोलॉजिस्ट हियर इन घाटकोपर। विजया ऑल्सो वर्किंग। So thank you so much all my dear ladies, beautiful ladies, for your performance and your take time to practice and performance. Now I am inviting one of our yoga sadhak ही कहेंगे, respected Sir Tyagaraja Ponangi, for his speech on this occasion. He is a senior scientific officer at Bhabha Atomic Research Center, head of the department at Technical Management at BARC. He is enthusiastic in music, literature, management, Sanskrit, social wellness, and mathematics. So much thing to speak for him, but he has restricted me not to. But he is now elected as a president at Rotary Ghatkopar. So we have that proud moment. Though I couldn't come in that program, so sorry for that, sir. But heartily I am inviting you. Please come.
The same joy with Professor Bagadia ji of addressing very learned audience and very high level audience. High level, the reason for high level is apart from their day-to-day activities which are already of higher level, they have added and enriched themselves with yoga. So yoga adds a much higher dimension to the human being who is practicing. To such great audience, addressing them is a great pleasure and it's a great responsibility. I should speak something which you would also like it. It's my responsibility. Now, to start with, see, as the sir has told, Professor Bagadia ji, that yoga is the gift from India, and it has been the gift since around easily 10,000 years. Ever since agriculture was invented, India has grown in leaps and bounds. Agriculture was the starting point. From agriculture, marriage came. After marriage, then systematic living started. Then systematic earning started. Systematic health keeping started. Systematic civilization started. Everything started with agriculture in India. So our culture is such an old culture. Now one thing we should understand, but the way how to express accurately that we got from the Western civilization. Westerners have taught us how to express clearly. Not that India does not have. Our Nyaya Shastra, out of 9 darshanas which we have in our civilization, which have been here for thousands of years, out of 9 darshanas, at least 3 darshanas talk about systematic speech, systematic writing, systematic thinking. But unfortunately, we ourselves forgot about our darshanas. But our darshanas, these 3 darshanas, that is Nyaya Darshana, Vaisheshika Darshana and Sakshi, and the third one Samkhya Darshana, were taken by Socrates, Plato, Aristotle. They developed logic. Actually, all those logical principles are there in our Indian civilization. Now we have to bring them back. But as of now, even myself, the logical thinking I learned from Westerners, unfortunately. But now we will ourselves teach. Now based on the Western way of thinking, what is spirituality? If you want to ask, I have a very simple answer. There is no need to read huge books on spirituality. A simple idea is our human life is a 3-layered reality. 3 layers are there in our human life. One is physical, one is mental, one is spiritual. Only 3 layers. Now, the simplest example for this 3-layered life is to prepare a tea, chai. I like tea very much, so I take this example. चाय बनाने में 3 layers कैसा होते हैं? चाय अच्छा बनाना है तो अच्छा पानी चाहिए, प्योर, अच्छा चाय पत्ता चाहिए, फिर अच्छा शक्कर चाहिए. All materials should be proper. Materials दिया है, means all the physical aspects are there. But कैसा बनाना है, that is mental aspect. वो मुझे मालूम नहीं तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. How to prepare it, that is a mental aspect. If you know the procedure, that is your mental aspect of making tea is perfect. Then you prepared it. Means physically good, that you have the good, it is a very good ingredients. After ingredients, good procedure. Then after preparing the tea, you just give like this. Either guest है, इधर देख रहे हैं. No love in giving. So if you offer with love the same tea, the taste will double. So that is the spiritual aspect. Spiritual aspect is not something to do with the great worshipping God or something. Love itself is spirituality. So if you offer with love, the double the taste happens for them. So 3-layered reality is what is our human being's life. The third one, which is related to love, is spirituality. Now let us see the 3-layered reality in yoga, the way I understood from Madam. Actually, whatever I understood, I understood from single source, that is Madam Dr. Deepika Hindu. Each time she used to teach, I used to observe what exactly she is teaching. She used to teach how to combine body with mind. How to combine body with mind is one thing she used to teach. Then in due course of time I understood she is teaching how to combine body, mind and soul. So yoga of 3 layers of reality, body, mind, soul. इसको कैसा जोड़ना है? योग है. Means योग means merging. युज ऐसा संस्कृत का रूट वर्ड है, युज. वो युज का मीनिंग है merging. Merging of what? Body, mind and soul. This is what I learned from her. Another aspect. See, she also has got a 3-layer reality. She is a medical professional. She is a yoga teacher. She is a spiritualist. 3 things put together. A perfect yoga teacher becomes when these 3 things are there. She has got a 4th thing also. उनका 4-dimensional life है. हम सब लोग का 3-dimensional life. दीपिका हिंदू का लाइफ में she has 4 dimensions. The 4th dimension is Dr. Dinesh Hindu. a perfect match for her. Perfect match. So 4-dimensional life they are leading. So now another important point I would say. This I realized only in the last class, some around 6-7 days back. See, people say योगा टीचर के थ्रू ही सीखना है, ऐसा सर बोले हैं अभी. यूट्यूब से नहीं सीखना है, यूट्यूब से इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं, बट सीखना है तो टीचर से सीखना है. क्यों? मेरे को समझ में आया ओनली 10 दिन पहला. मैं ये सुना कभी when I was 20 years. At the time when I was 20 years, one senior told me, don't do yoga alone. I used to try sometimes. He told, don't do alone. You go to teacher. But why? I did not know the answer at that time. I got the answer only 10 days back. 20 years से अभी I crossed 55 long back. Don't ask me accurate age. So इतना साल में मैं क्यों सीखा है, उनका इंस्ट्रक्शन से ही मालूम पड़ा. उनका टीचिंग स्टाइल ये है, when there is a contraction, the next exercise is of relaxation. Expansion and contraction. She does it in a very systematic way. Right? So the sequence is important. And also symmetry. अगर left side करने के बाद फिर right side. And also medically, the symmetry is maintained and the normalization, that is contraction expansion का जो normalization है ना, those are done medically by a good yoga teacher. Hence we have to learn only from the teacher and not from YouTube. So this is the specialty of the teacher. And I attended a few times whenever she had to miss teaching her, then her husband, Dr. Dinesh ji, used to take. For every yoga he used to give one scientific point because he himself is a medical doctor. So this is, we are all fortunate to be with them. So a very humble offering to both of them is this it's a Gita book. As you all know, 18 chapters में every chapter का नाम योग से होता है ना. अर्जुन विषाद योगा, then सांख्य योगा, कर्म योगा, ज्ञान योगा, and then कर्म संन्यास yoga, then this mano samyama yoga, then yoga vijnana yoga. Like this, every chapter till this 18th chapter. So this yoga couple deserve this book. So I am making a humble offer to them.
एक मिनट.
So you are converting this 4-layer personality into 18 layers.
18 layers. Super. So my last two sentences, concluding sentences. Then all of you welcome to Rotary Club of Ghatkopar. This year, particular year in Rotary Club, we are going to do youth enrichment programs. Whole year we will focus on that, on youth enrichment. In fact, our club is very well known for medical projects. उसमें भी तो योगा है, मेडिकल में भी. We conduct everyday yoga sessions also. But now we are also adding youth enrichment programs with the help of Indian knowledge systems, with the help of yoga, Sanskrit, Indian philosophy, all these things. All of you are welcome for this. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your great speech, yogic speech, I can say. Now we are going to invite our senior citizen for their performance. Senior citizen, student from Chunapatti and Balvikas also. I am welcoming you. It is important to have twinkle in our wrinkle. तो ये जरूरी नहीं कि आपकी उम्र क्या है, जरूरी ये है कि आप किस उम्र की सोच रखते हो. बराबर ना? Everyone knows the benefit of Surya Namaskar, but here we have all senior citizens who are going to perform Surya Namaskar in both ways, on mat and on chair, with mantra chanting, with breathing. हौसलों को अपने सीने में भरकर अब हमारे सामने आ रहे हैं हमारे सीनियर सिटीजन योगा वर्ग के नव युवा, यानी हमारे योग वर्ग के 60+ सदस्य जो प्रस्तुत करेंगे एक अनोखी प्रस्तुति। आइए तालियों की गूंज से उनका स्वागत अभिवादन करें।
सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवित्र सूर्य नारायणाय नमः। मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। गर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचे नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवित्र सूर्य नारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। मरीचे नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ
अब इनकी इंट्रोडक्शन भी सुन ले। ये भी कुछ कम नहीं है हमसे, सीनियर सिटीजन है, बट दे आर डूइंग वेरी वेल। एक योगा स्टूडेंट थे, वो एक्चुअली पार्टिसिपेट थे, लेकिन वो नहीं आ पाए क्योंकि उनके फैमिली मेम्बर्स में कुछ तो हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन हुआ। शी इज 75 ईयर्स, शी इज MBBS डॉक्टर, डॉक्टर नीलम थोड़ा। अर्लियर शी यूज्ड टू डू 3 to 5 सूर्य नमस्कार हार्डली, but now for regular practice, after she is very regular for 3 to 5 years, she is performing 30 surya namaskars at a stretch at the age of 75 to 77. So they are also doing very well. Mrs. Darshana ji, Darpana ji, she is nurse, retired nurse. Mrs. Swati ji, she is teacher. Sushma ji, she is great devotee ISKCON, and she is also nearly 68, 69 years, but very regular, not a single day, since 7 years, not a single day she has missed yoga class, not a single day. Savita ji from our BRC colony only, she is also very regular, very enthusiastic, and Suvarna ji, she has just सुरेखा जी जस्ट परसों ही उनकी बेटी की सगाई थी और उन्होंने अपना टाइम निकाला, इतने बिजी शेड्यूल में, सब विलेज से सब मेहमान आए थे और प्रैक्टिस की। तो थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर ग्रेट परफॉर्मेंस। जो मैंने बीच बीच में जो आपको शायरी सुनाई, वो मेरी खुद के मन की पैदाइश नहीं है क्योंकि मैं इस मामले में तो थोड़ी बहुत ही मतलब थोड़ी नहीं, बहुत ही मुझे इसका मैं नहीं लिख सकती हूँ। बट सिंस अवर forefathers, माय डॉक्टर दिनेश हिंगू's forefather was poet, sir. He was शीघ्र कवि, and we have his book also. एक बुक है कि उन्होंने पाली लैंग्वेज में, ब्रज भाषा में उन्होंने पोएम्स लिखी हुई है। वो हमारे जनरेशन्स में चले आ रहा है। तो मिस्टर परेश हिंगू इज माय डॉक्टर सर's elder brother at the place of my father-in-law, my father, and he is मैं इनके लिए भी जितने शब्द कहूँगी कम है, बिकॉज ही इज गुड स्क्रिप्ट राइटर, डायलॉग राइटर, ही इज राइटिंग डायलॉग्स एंड स्क्रिप्ट्स फॉर मेनी फिल्म्स एंड सीरियल्स एंड मेनी प्रोग्राम्स, एंड ही इज रिकॉर्डिस्ट ऑल्सो, ड्रामेटिस्ट, रिकॉर्डिस्ट, स्क्रिप्ट राइटर, शीघ्र कवि। आज ही मैंने उनको बताया, परेश भाई कुछ लिख के दो, बीच बीच में मुझे कुछ तो चाहिए ऐसी चीज़ें तुरंत। ही इज सो बिजी इन ऑल दिस हिज प्रोफेशन। वी हैव अवर ओन recording studio also in Andheri. My another brother-in-law's son has his own studio too. So we have all musical. Even my son Param is also writing little bit. So thank you Paresh bhai for coming here. We used to travel all over India and sometimes abroad also for this thing, profession. Now, since I have started my yoga teaching since 2008, my very first yoga student, Mrs. Chaya Shah, want to express her feeling towards Varni Yogalaya. I am so glad to introduce her in this occasion. She is MSc, MPhil in Biology, lecturer in Wilson College from 1977 till 2014. Welcome Mrs. Chaya. She is my elderly friend.
अभी सर ने एक वाक्य कहा था कि आप योगा परफॉर्म करो तो टीचर के साथ करो, इंस्ट्रक्टर के साथ करो। तो हमारे पूर्वजों ने एक श्लोक कहा है, गुरु गोविंद दोहु कड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपकी Govind Dev Pikhai. So Deepika is of that standard. Since year 2000 I have been performing yoga. Same place, no change. Teachers have changed, but the place is not changed. And from 2006, I am Deepika's student. When she was learning yoga from Kulkarni sir and teaching here, since then we are friends. So in short, she is my friend, philosopher and guide. For our illness also, we have to talk to Deepika. I am very lucky. I was 80 years of weight, 80 kgs of weight in year 2000. Today I am 64 without any diet, but only yoga. Yoga performance is a must. And like you said, body, mind and soul. Deepika knows how to make students feel that all these three things are coordinated very regularly. Whenever I go with some smallest problem also, she always says, first sit down, relax and then talk. That is the best way of talking. We get so excited that when we go to a doctor as a patient, blah 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 blah, ये भी होता है वो भी होता है, क्या होता है पहले खुद तय करो, पैर में दर्द है कि पेट में दर्द है. Then you talk slowly and take her opinion. Whenever there is no medication required, she never gave me any medication, nor to my family. You don't require. You go home, relax, meditate little. Well, my husband doesn't perform yoga, but he is a very good coordinator. Every morning at 6:45 he comes here to drop me. From year 2000, if he is absent, my son is there to drop me. That is why she respects me and I respect her. That we are so regular with each other that we don't miss not even a single day. Like she said, no, one lady here, she has not missed a single day in yoga in Shunagati. Same way here with me. I am proud to say that I am Deepika's student. Because of her motivation only we can come till here. So if you have as a student little bit of inquiry required, you can talk to Deepika. She is a very good listener. She will listen and then only she will orate. That is the best compliment I should give to her. Well, in testimonials, everybody has said like Deepika is so and so, so and so, so and so. But in personal life, she is more than that. We have given a lecture that she is a family physician. That is one feather in the cap for us as students. If we have little difficulty with our body, she will be there to help us. If it is without medication, she will allow us to go ahead with yoga. No problem, you perform. If you can't bear it, then you stop. So she is there to give us biggest guidance. And I today have no major issues with my health. That is also proud moment for Deepika.
And your self-discipline.
Yes, that is very true. That is very true. My family support is also there. That is very true. That it is not today I am retired, but when I retired also I thought I will stop now, I will do something for myself. But then I said no, yoga will give me some motivation that I can do something more for myself. And that is how I have started Shamak Dava dancing classes. Just 6 months back. But they also give us good motivation. Since you know so many yoga steps, you can go ahead with it. So when the senior citizen performance will be there, Deepika will be my first spectator.
Next year.
2024. They are 1.5 years training is a compulsion. And then only they give. So 24, inshallah, if I am alive, I will be doing that performance. And that time I will be exactly 70 years old. So we will do that. Now, second, she is BA in Yoga Shastra. She is a gold medalist. She is MA in Yoga. Ministry of Ayush Certified Therapeutic Yoga Consultant. She is running online classes, teachers training academy for many government recognized yoga courses in 2019. She conducts many yoga workshops. Since Deepika is a medical doctor, as I said, she is feathering the cap for us. Any personal illness, any time of the day, 24/7 she is available. She is a friend and philosopher and guide to me. So you also make her friend, philosopher and guide of your life. At present, she is running this Varni Yoga Laya here and classes at Bal Vikas and Chunapati, as she has already introduced about herself. Now one more my personal experience. The benefit if you get from Deepika is for pranayama. She really insists so much on pranayama that breathing exercise will give you so much of energy that you can perform any asana today. So please, like sir said, Deepak, Dr. Deepak, that in pranayama is done in local trains. Well, I have not experienced because I don't travel much in train now. But that is a very good thing. Those who have started, hats off to them. Yeah, please, I will need to share them with others also. Those who travel in, like my own daughter-in-law travels every day from Chembur to Belapur. So even it will be beneficial to her. She believes in yoga. She doesn't have time, so she doesn't perform. But if you ask her, she really believes in yoga. My son also joined for some time, like Deepika knows, but he is also equally busy. So he also could not carry on. My husband doesn't believe, but he motivates us. So that is the main part. Your family people should motivate you. Don't sit at home. Go. Do something. At this age, of course, we are very beneficial that we are healthy and we can do whatever we want. But in young age, it was difficult. But still, youngers also should find the time and make that particular thing your wish, that I want to stand somewhere in life. Not to show off, like sir said, no, don't show off. Do it for yourself. Definitely it helps. Even this sir said, some people have started yoga in hospitals also, which I have not seen. But I do believe maybe that will be beneficial to your heart, your lungs, your brain, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's. So many diseases are there which are cured with the help of yoga. So thanks a lot for inviting me here, Deepika Ben. Hope we are friends till I am alive.
You are forever.
Forever. Thanks a lot.
One more yoga student, Mrs. Jyoti Gala, also want to express her feelings. First, Jyoti Ben, now. I'm welcoming Mrs. Poonam also because she is Poonam. आपको बोल रहे हैं. She is a yoga teacher at Patanjali and she sometimes come at our class also. Welcome Poonam ji. Thank you for coming.
Since we all believe and we all know yoga is the harmony and between one's physical existence and spiritual self, it is a perfect synchronization between the mind and body. And me, myself, Jyoti Gala, can attest to the same. Here I would like to share my personal experience about holistic healing with Deepika ma'am. Previously I used to gym, and since 2015 I had to stop the gym due to personal reasons. I totally stopped all my physical activity, and 2018 or something I was kind of totally my stiffness in the body, and I couldn't do a lot of things. That is when I joined Dr. Deepika in the year 2019, And in the initial classes, I was finding it, I was very apprehensive that maybe I may not be able to do some of the asanas. But she was very motivative, she was very positive in her attitude, and she always used to say there is nothing that you cannot do. You have to try and you will definitely be able to do. I had severe spondylosis, frozen shoulder, and with her help I overcame all the stiffness, and all my other who are from Chembur know how I was in the beginning and now how I am right now. It was, I'm very, very thankful to Deepika ma'am. And because of her only I am where I am, my mind, body, everything has become positive now. Thanks a lot.
Jyoti Galaji, she's though homemaker, but she has sacrificed her life for her family. And when she entered the class, she used to say, no, I can't do this, I can't do that, I can't do this, I can't do that. And slowly she has accepted the things, and now she is doing so better. So it is nothing impossible in the world. If you try, you are sharing your experiences. But just I want to say, as Padma Tatapudi has said, कि you are so regular, you are coming into the class. जैसे मैंने बताया वीर पुरुष की तरह आप लोग क्लास में आते हो, इसलिए आपको बेनिफिट हो रहे हैं. Now Padma Tatapudi ji is just, she came from USA. She was also earlier with us with Kulkarni sir. She is a great dancer, Kuchipudi dancer, and she used to teach dance practices here only. Since 2000 in Bal Vikas only she was teaching Kuchipudi dance. And my good friend, she just now told me she want to tell one sentence. Come.
Namaskar. I have only. Can I speak in Marathi? Whatever broken Marathi I know, I love Bal Vikas. I've grown up in Bal Vikas. मराठी चालेल ना? मला फक्त दोन विषय बोलायचे आहेत. एक, I want to add to what the dignitaries have said, and that is काय आहे की आपल्याकडे सगळं काही आहे. मी अमेरिका आय थिंक 1985मध्ये गेली आणि आत्तापर्यंत जातीयत राहते आणि 2 वर्ष कोविडमध्ये तिथेच राहिली लेटेस्ट. जसं ह्यांनी म्हटलं होतं की दीपिका मॅडम व्हेरी टॅलेंटेड, पण त्यांनी स्वतः काही नाही केलं तर त्यांना गोल्ड मेडल येणार नाही. म्हणजे काय, सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन हवंच, ते एक क्लिअर झालं. दुसरं, त्यागराज सरनी काय म्हटलं की आपल्याकडे 3 लेयर्स आहे, सगळे आहे, पण आणि मी 4th आणि 5th लेअर मला द्यायचं आहे. मी जे शिकली तिकडून आणि विच इज व्हेरी प्रॉमिनंट देअर, म्हणून एकदम प्रवाहासाठी जाते सगळीकडे. योग असो, डान्स असो, म्युझिक असो, काही असो, एकदम प्रवाहासाठी इकडे अडकून 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 चालते. येस और नो? पण तिकडे भयंकर प्रॅक्टिस आहे. तिकडे लोक शिद्दतने करतात हे सगळं. आणि ते 4th आणि 5th ॲस्पेक्ट जे मला जोडायचं आहे, त्यांनी जे सांगितलं ते आहे. त्यांनी सांगितलं चहा आपण प्रेमाने नाही दिलं तर त्यामध्ये काही रंग नाही. मी 4th ॲड करते, चहा प्रेमाने तर द्यायचंच, पण इंडिया इतकं पुढे आहे सगळं फंडामेंटल इश्यूजमध्ये आणि सगळं फंडामेंटल ज्ञानमध्ये, पण आपलं जे प्रेझेंटेशन असते त्यामध्ये आपण मागे पडतो. एक ते झालं 4था म्हणजे. आणि 5वा जे आहे, माझ्याप्रमाणे योग किंवा एनी आर्ट, परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट हे आपल्यासाठी एकदम डिवाईन आहे. म्हणून आपण एक हंबल वेमध्ये आपण ते सादर करतो. पण ह्युमिलिटी इज मेनी टाइम्स मिस्टेकन टू बी अंडर कॉन्फिडन्स. तर पाचवं जे आहे ते प्रोजेक्शन. आपण आपलं स्थान घेता एकदम वाईल वी मेंटेन आपलं ह्युमिलिटी, पण आपलं कॉन्फिडन्स पण सादर करायचं आपलं जबाबदारी आहे. हे पंच झाले, हे पूर्ण झाले. आता लास्ट सेंटेन्स विच वॉज दी ओनली वन ॲक्च्युली आय वॉन्टेड टू से. पण अमेरिकामध्ये शॉपिंग मॉल्समध्ये एव्हरी लेन, एव्हरी स्ट्रीट ऑलमोस्ट, कुठेही जावा, प्लस लाईक I forgot madam's name, but she was talking about she was going to the gym. जिममध्ये सगळीकडे योगा आहे 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 आहे. एक एक कॉर्नरमध्ये. आणि ते लोक असं प्रसारण करतात त्याचं जसं काही ते त्यांचंच आहे आणि चूक नाही त्यामध्ये. दॅट इज हाऊ मच दे ओन द मेरिट ऑफ योगा. दॅट इज वाय दे आर सो. ते म्हणतात हो आम्ही शिकलो आहे हे आणि हे आमचं पुंजी आहे. कोणीतरी दुसऱ्यांनी दिलेलं आहे पण हे आमचं पुंजी आहे, आम्ही देणार जसं पाहिजे तसं. आणि बिलीव इट ऑर नॉट, टुडे कॉन्फिडेंटली आय कॅन टेल यू that there are more yoga students than gymming students over there. And this is not just in America, any western part of the world, पण अमेरिकामध्ये तर आणि इतके इंडियन्स झालेले आहेत, सगळे प्रचार करतात, सगळं काही करतात, जिम पण जातात, हे पण करतात, कुठल्याही विषयाला मोठं छोटं दाखवत नाही. ऑन दॅट नोट, ऑन दॅट इक्वॅलिटी नोट, आय वॉन्ट टू एंड अँड से थँक यू व्हेरी मच फॉर अकॉमोडेटिंग मी. थँक यू. नमस्कार. Namaskar, happy yoga team.
Everyone want to say something and something and something, but time doesn't wait for anyone. Before ending, I propose the vote of thanks. Let me first of all start by giving glory to Almighty God, Swaminarayan and Guru Sadguru Dhyani Swami Ji for making today's occasion successful. My late father-in-law and mother-in-law, my parents, my father is retired judge and my mother is advocate. I'm so thankful to have both of the parents, both sides. They are so lovable and ever ready for us, to help us, to guide us, to motivate us. I glad to thank for our special guest Dr. Deepak Bagadia and Bhavna Bagadia. Despite his busy schedule, since sir has told since 6 o'clock she used to go here and there for this function, but then also he has happily accepted my invitation and found time to grace this occasion. Thank you so much, sir. My heartful thank to Mr. Tyagaraju sir and Padmavati ji too. For their support. Violinist also, my all participants, dear participants, despite of their work, job, household responsibility, little ones, kids, they take out time to practice and done very well to make this event successful. क्योंकि नवारी में ये सब परफॉर्म करना हिम्मत नहीं होती है, लेकिन उन्होंने बहुत खुशी से एक्सेप्ट कर लिया कि नहीं मैडम हमने करना ही है. My thanks to Bal Vikas Sangh Trust for their cooperation and providing all necessary properties for this event. ये हॉल की इतनी पवित्रता है कि जैसे हॉल में एंटर होते हैं मन शांत हो जाता है एंड वी फील लाइक डूइंग योगा, डूइंग मेडिटेशन, डूइंग प्राणायाम. एक ये ऑरा ही इस हॉल की ऐसी है, चाहे कोई भी फ्लोर पे हमारे क्लास कभी कभी रहते हैं. I thank all staff member of Bal Vikas right from watchman, क्योंकि सुबह हमें गेट खोल के वॉचमैन ही देते हैं. They are so humble, so cooperative. Office members like Priya ji, Shital ji and Amit ji, secretary ji, all the members, staff members and the managing committee of Bal Vikas. I thank to Mr. Patil ji for arranging. देखो आपने हॉल में एंटर हुए थे सब, हम भी आए 4 बजे तो पूरा सब रेडी था अरेंजमेंट, ईच एंड एवरी, इवन हम आए तब क्या कर रहे थे, प्रिया जी और ये सरस्वती माता को हार वगैरह पहना के तैयार कर रहे थे, एवरीथिंग वाज रेडी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. आई शुड नॉट फॉरगेट टू थैंक माय हस्बैंड डॉक्टर दिनेश हिंगू. माय बोथ ऑफ द सन्स चाणक्य एंड परम. डॉक्टर दिनेश हिंगू के लिए मैं कहूँगी कि एनी टाइम मैं जब ये हो जाती हूँ कि नहीं करना मुझे, तब मुझे बैठ के उठाने का काम उनका है कि नहीं होगा, मैं हूँ ना, हो जाएगा, आई विल बी देयर, क्या करना है मुझे बोलो, मैं तुझे कैसे हेल्प करूँ मुझे बोलो तुरंत. माय बोथ ऑफ द सन्स चाणक्य ही इज एट USA at present doing his masters, and Param is doing BDS for supporting love and motivation. I can't do anything without their support and love. My lots and lots of thanks to my young, dashing, handsome and smart photographer, my nephew, Mr. Siddhant Hingu. At this very young age, he has mastered in photography, and you are seeing this, both of the friends are, they work together, they are team. Thank you both of you too. I thank all distinguished invitees present here and accepting our invitations. Lalit ji, आपको भी, Latish ji, welcome and thank you for coming. Thank you all of you for coming here. So I am completing this session here with 3 omkars. Sit straight, eyes closed, shoulders relaxed. Just concentrate on your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Take a deep inhalation and we'll chant Omkar with long sound. Inhale. 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 Rub your palm. Experience the healing. Right? Thank you.